From exchanging salt and cows, to tapping a smartwatch to pay, the way we pay has changed more than anything else in human history. This is the incredible journey of payments, from barter to biometrics, from India to the world. In ancient India and Mesopotamia, people traded what they had: food, tools, cattle. It worked, until it didn't. India's first money came in the form of punch-marked silver coins during the Mauryan Empire, 2,500 years ago. Around the world, China used cowrie shells, Rome minted denarii, but coins ruled the trade. The Chinese were first to use paper money around the 7th century. India wasn't far behind. The Mughals issued hundi and notes to settle large trades. But these notes were trusted only because of who issued them: emperors or wealthy traders. The British introduced formal banking. India got its first banks in the 1700s, with checks, ledgers, and printed promissory notes. Transactions went from trust to paper trail. The West saw its first credit card in 1950, Diners Club. India joined in the 1980s with banks like HSBC and Citibank introducing plastic money: swipe, sign, spend. Cards added convenience but also debt. With the internet came online banking, NEFT, RTGs, debit cards, mobile alerts. The digital rails were getting built. PayPal made e-commerce global. India went mobile, slowly at first. Then came UPI, a simple system to pay anyone instantly. India went from cash only to QR only. In kirana shops, street vendors, auto rickshaws, UPI changed everything. Today we pay using fingerprints, faces, even voices. Smartwatches, payment rings, and even implantable chips in some countries. The future? Payments you don't even notice happening. India leads the world in real-time digital payments, more than the US, China, and EU combined. From UPI to Aadhaar-Pay, India is building inclusive, global-scale payment systems. From cows to codes, from trust to tech, from barter to biometrics, the journey of payments is the story of civilization. India isn't just part of this story, it's leading the next chapter. Which payment method do you trust the most? Comment below. And don't forget to share this video.